Hi, my name is Aarohan, and today I'm going to talk about how I was able to help Viva Nayak, which is an Instagram account, gain over 55,000 followers in about 4 weeks. Have you ever been in a situation where you're putting in constant effort to post content every single day for 2 months, crafting the perfect messages, offering value, and staying consistent, yet you're still stuck at below 100 followers? With no engagement, no conversions, no real growth. That's the reality my client, an English teacher, faced before we partnered up. He had poured time, energy into creating content, but the results just weren't showing. Fast forward to 30 days after we began working together, 50,000 followers gained and over 20,000 INR in course sales. A complete turnaround, right? So, how did we achieve this transformation? It wasn't just about posting more often or using fancy strategies. We focused on few key elements that were missing. Let me break down exactly how I helped. About me, you can call me Aaron. As the founder of the content marketing agency, we specialize in helping service-based businesses secure an additional 5 to 10 clients per day by leveraging their social media content. Many businesses struggle with visibility, engagement, and generating quality leads through social media. That's where we come in. We craft tailored content strategies that align with each business's unique goals, target audience, and voice. Our approach focuses on creating compelling, high value content that not only attracts attention but also drives conversions. We ensure every piece of content is optimized to move prospects through the sales funnel, leading them directly to scheduling a client call. By combining in depth industry knowledge, data driven strategies, and a deep understanding of social media platforms, we help service based businesses stand out, build trust with their audience, and consistently book more calls. It's all about creating content that resonates and leads to real growth. Here's the challenge. My client was creating valuable content every day, lesson tips, grammar hacks, pronunciation tricks, but the problem? No one was paying attention. He had all the right ideas and the expertise, but his content wasn't getting the visibility it deserved. He wanted to build a strong personal brand, become well known in his field, and of course, increase his income. But for 2 months, despite his consistent efforts, his content barely reached anywhere. This lack of visibility meant that even though he was putting in all the effort he could, he wasn't connecting with the right audience or turning those efforts into the growth he desired. We knew something had to change. His content needed more than just value, it needed a strategy that would amplify his reach and attract the right followers. Another challenge he faced was inconsistent branding. His social media profile lacked a strong, recognizable brand identity. While he was consistently creating quality content, it wasn't resonating with the right audience. Without a clear and cohesive brand presence, his content was getting lost in the noise, failing to stand out or connect with the people that need his services. We realized that to attract the right followers and potential clients, his messaging needs to be sharpened and his profile needed to reflect his expertise and unique value proposition. By refining his brand identity and aligning his content strategy with his target audience's needs, we were able to create a strong connection, ultimately driving more engagement and conversions. Phase 1, diagnosing the problem. Number 1, lack of engagement hooks. No clear call to action, storytelling, or emotional connection. People needed a reason to interact. Number 2, inconsistent branding. His profile didn't look like an authority in English teaching niche. Consistency is the key to building trust. No viral elements. Number 3, his posts didn't trigger shares, saves, or comments. We needed to create content that people would want to share with their friends. Phase 2, the growth strategy. Number 1, content revamp. We shifted from generic English lessons to engaging viral style content instead of just how to improve your vocabulary. We used hooks like 3 words that can make you sound dumber, something negative that can attract the viewer's attention instantly. Number two, engagement first approach. Every post had a call to action. Every post had a call to action. Comment your favorite English word. Which one would you use in a conversation? Or if you want me to send you this information, comment X. Number three, reels and shorts focus. We created 4 to 6 short, engaging videos daily, quick, shareable content to capture attention in the fast-paced social media landscape. Storytelling and personal brand. We made him the face of his brand. People connected with his journey, struggles, and personality that built a deep connection between him and his audience. Phase 3, monetization. Number one, the first thing we did was a course funnel. We optimized his bio with a clear call to action, such as DM me the word fluent for special course discount. The second thing we did was hold live sessions. He started hosting free live Q&A sessions to build some trust among his audience and upsell his course while he's doing that to hundreds of people live. The last thing we did was introduce limited time offers. We ran scarcity driven promotions such as only 10 spots left at this particular price to drive urgency. More than 50,000 followers and more than 20,000 rupees. Within a month, he did not just hit 50,000 followers but also made 20,000 INR directly from his course. Key takeaways for social media growth that all of you should have. 1. Content without engagement is noise. You need to give people a reason to interact with your content, like a call to action or a captivating story. Number 2, short form video is the king. Leverage the use of reels and shorts to capture attention in the fast-paced social media landscape. Number 3, personal branding builds trust. Don't just post, connect with your audience by sharing your journey and personality, DMing them personally if they're struggling in some particular way. Number 4, monetization starts with strategy. You don't need millions of followers to make money. Just as well create a funnel that can get you the money even if you only have 5 to 6,000 followers. And if you're ready to grow your social media, increase engagement or boost your revenue, it's time for a change. Drop a comment or DM me right now. Let's work together, craft a strategy that will elevate your brand, attract the right audience, drive real results. Don't let another day pass by. Let's turn your brand into a success story that stands out. I know you want to get famous. I know you want a social media presence. DM me or comment right now and I'll get back to you.